3.1 Angle measures in radian. So angle can be measured by degree or radian, and we are going to learn about how do they convert. For example, if we have 30 degree, question right here, 30 degree, another way we can write as pi over 3. And let's do some exercise. On the conversion, exercise 1. If we have 45 degree and we want to convert to radian, it will be degree to radian. So what we do is multiply by pi over 180. So in this question 1, 45 degree I write here. 45 degree convert to radians means you have to multiply pi over 180 and later on simplify it. 45, 180. Just let you know that this is just a degree sign, so we can take that away. 180 and simplify with 45. If 180 divided by 4 or 180 divided by 45 is 4. 45 divided by 45 is 1. Then this is pi over 4. And furthermore, if we want to convert 30 degree to radian, and what we're gonna do is 30 times pi over 180, and we want to simplify this. So first of all, we can divide by 10. We have 0, 0, right? And 30 divided by 10 is 3. 180 divided by 10 is 18. And then 3 and 18 divided by 3 again, I have 1 divided by 3 again, 6. This equal to 6 on the bottom, so it's pi over 6. So just notice that this is radian, and this is degree. What happens if we have negative 40 and I want to convert to radian? So first of all, negative 40, we want to take a look, where is it? Start from 0, 90, 180, 270. And then if we come back, we still come back to 360. So it can be 0 and 360 here. And the direction, if we come this way, is always go positive. If we want negative, we will go the other way around. So one is counterclockwise, positive. Clockwise is negative. So if we have negative, it means we go counterclockwise, and we stop right here. This is negative 40 degree. But negative 40 degree, if we treat this as, if we go counterclockwise, and it seems like a little bit more than this would be turned to positive, would be something more than 270 here. So the best way to do this is just use negative 40 plus 360, convert to positive degree, 320, and we just mean we can say that this is negative 40 degree or 320 degree. And now 320 we can convert to radian by multiplying pi over 180. And to make this work, we have to simplify again, 0, 0 gone, and then divide by 2. Then this will be 16 divided by 2. This will be 9. Can we simplify further? Seems like no. So it's 16 pi over 9. This is 16. That's the radian from here. At last, let's convert back from radian to degree. So we learn that given a degree, we convert to radian, and then the radian is in terms of pi. Why now, if we have a degree, how do we convert? For example, if pi, right? Pi, the best way convert is by multiplying back, but it's no longer pi over 180. It's 180 over pi. And then pi and pi cancel out. It's 180 degree. And based on this, pi is 180 degree. This would be a trick to solve everything else. What happens if we have 3 pi? If you want to do the work, you will always show 3 pi times 180 over pi, and then pi is gone. 3 times 180 is 540. Or if you think that you know pi is 180 already, so you just multiply 180 in terms of pi. This will give you 540 right away. So my preference is, if you know pi equal to 180, subs in this to simplify. What happens if we have 2 pi over 3? 2 pi over 3, if we subs in, pi is 180. And then now we start cancelling. Before we cancelling, if you see to simplify, simplify. Divide by 3, 1. Divide by 3, 60. 2 times 60 is 120 degree.